Weak men focus on women. Women focus on strong men. They can sense when a man is on his grind, locked in, making moves. That's the type they get drawn to. See, a strong man ain't worried about who's checking for him. He's locked in on his goals, his grind. His mind is on the bag, on building something real. And once you're in that zone, the focus will come to you. You won't have to chase it. Women, men, whoever, they all start looking at you different. That's how the game works. So you want to win? Focus on yourself till the focus is on you. Stop chasing anything that don't add value. Build yourself up first. Make yourself the priority. Handle your business, get your money right, and level up. That's when the real attention starts coming. When you're on top, people can't help but look up to you. And that's the point. Become the type of man everybody's watching instead of watching everybody else. If you made it this far, drop a 100 in the comments and hit that follow button, cause this account is for you.